It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the Fremont Casino in downtown Las Vegas and I'm headed to the buffet. So the thing I like about the Paradise Buffet and Cafe here at the Fremont is that it is a buffet and a cafe. You actually can get food just a la carte, or you can have the buffet. And of course we're getting the buffet. Now, one thing I love about this buffet is that I feel like it's kind of stuck in the 1980s. I mean, just the way it looks with the you know, the foliage, the fake plants and flowers, and the lighting, and of course you can still get yourself a straw. But the most 80s thing of all about this buffet is the food. This is classic Las Vegas buffet food. It may not be the best food in the world, but this is the type of buffet food that made Vegas buffets famous. We're going to start at the All-American station. This is all-American food. It's mashed potatoes and vegetables and waffle fries. That's not waffle fries. The sign says waffle fries. Oh, and fried chicken. That's really all I care about. And here it is, right next to the pork chops. Well, it's labeled Salisbury steak, but I'm pretty sure it's pork chops. And here's some noodles and tomato sauce, marinara, and Alfredo. And manicotti. I don't know if I can trust any of these labels. Chicken carbonara and pizza. Oh, here's the carving station. You can actually get roast beef. It's literally roast beef and some sausage. That's roast beef and gravy. Here's the Asian section. Fried rice. Pork and green beans. Oh, and they even have char siu bao. Pork buns, as I call them. Oh, here's cashew chicken. That looks all right. Doesn't look any better or worse than Panda Express. Here's some rice. Oh, and now we're at the Southwest section. This is catch of the day. Spanish rice, chili Colorado, beef taquitos, and taco beef. I guess you can make your own little soft taco here. Yeah, here's all the fixins for your tacos. And there's more. There's like a salad bar. There's one on this side, and there's one on the far side, and in between, there's desserts. There's like potato salad, and some kind of carrot salad. Oh, look, it's like deli meats. What is deli meats? Roast beef, turkey, ham. You make sandwiches, I guess, like, yeah, on rolls. And there's salad. Salad bars are something that I think became famous in the 80s, didn't they? I feel like they did. And then here's the desserts, but let's take a look. Oh wait, I think I see a build your own burger station. All right, we'll get to that in 1 second. We'll just take a quick look at this other salad bar over here. There's some nacho chips and soup. This is, oh no, this is cheese sauce for the chips. And here's some fresh cut fruit and canned peaches and Jell-O and some yogurt. All right, let's take a look at the desserts. Pie. Oh, there's no sugar added right here. Plenty of no sugar added pie. There's also no sugar added. There's this is all no sugar added. I gotta find the sugar desserts. Must be on this side. I see chocolate cake. Yeah, these don't have any warnings. Actually, this is the side that should have warnings, right? Because this has all the sugar. Looks like a tiramisu, pecan pie. I love pecan pie. Some other sweet treats, including some donuts, I think. Look at that. All right, what about the burger bar? That's what I'm really interested in. There's yogurt. Oh, here, look at this. Oh my God, there's like hot dogs in there too. Mushrooms and onions and bacon and chili. Where's the buns? Oh, here's the buns. All right, well, I am going to make my own burger. All right, I got my burger and I got a hot dog. Now I just have to find the condiments. These are the taco toppings. That actually might be all right. What if I put taco beef on my hamburger? Like, why not, right? How about that? Make it extra beefy. And now I guess I could put the taco cheese on it. And maybe like guac. Can't tell if this is guac or wasabi. I'm gonna go with guac since it's here with the other Mexican condiments, and maybe a little salsa. Why not? Or a lot of salsa. All right, that's a decent like hamburger, the Mexican flavor hamburger. What about, I gotta have mustard for my hot dog though. Did I see condiments before? I must have. Okay, so I found the mustard. It's over here by the deli meats. I thought I saw it. All right. That looks like plenty of mustard. I get a little potato salad too. All right. All these prepared salads actually look pretty good. Just gonna get that too. All right, let's eat. All right, gotta see how this hamburger tastes. It's almost like a sloppy Joe with the taco meat in there, but there is a burger in there too. That's very good. Mostly because of the taco meat. Pretty flavorful. The bun's soft. A little messy. What about this hot dog? It's a good hot dog. Hot dogs are always good. But this one is extra good because it's got a lot of mustard in it. It's a great thing about buffets. Make the food any way you like. And of course I had to get fried chicken. It's a fried chicken breast. This is the pork chop and mashed potatoes. And this is cashew chicken. Cashew chicken. Chinese food probably not the strong suit here. Let's try the fried chicken. That's good fried chicken. That's really good fried chicken. It's juicy, tender, and it has a really nice flavor. The crunch. Some mashed potatoes. That's good too. Pork chop. I love pork chop, so I hope this is good. It's okay. A little tough. So here's the build your own nachos, some pasta with marinara sauce, and the manicotti. And of course I have to get bread pudding. This is probably my favorite dessert on a Las Vegas buffet. And you got some frozen yogurt too.
I wait for my hands are full.
Soft and sweet. Just the way I like it. It's really good with that vanilla yogurt. You know, I think if you stick with the American food, the classics of vintage Las Vegas buffets, the way Las Vegas buffets were back in the 80s, I think you'll be pretty happy. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Fremont buffet. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat. And it's all you can Vegas.